it's another free day, so I feel a little bit bored. So what I did, I kind of went out to check our fridge, and we've got a dying pumpkin, so I decided to make a pumpkin soup. This is the dying pumpkin, but definitely we can still cook this one. I just have to remove a bit of the damage. We've got peeled garlic, we've got a frozen mushroom. I'm also going to roast this one along with the pumpkin so that it will add a bit more flavor. On the other hand, I found on our pantry we've got dry rosemary, we've got the ground nutmeg, ground cumin seeds, coriander, and of course onions. So if you want to look at Ginny, there she is. She is eating. She just came from work, so she just told me 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. We don't have olive oil, so we're just using soya oil. And now Ginny will put them in the oven. I'm not sure how long, but
Actually, I setting
180.
170,
Okay, so it should be around.
around 15 or 20 minutes. It depends on the size of your pumpkin. When pumpkin in the oven, we can stir fry the onion first and the mushroom. So our dinner is like this.
Yeah, that's our dinner.
We need to cooking this one until a little bit soft.
Chef is showing some talent.
Lazy, the easy way.
Add mushroom. Have to steam it.
Can you make it chunky?
Can you do it? Can you do it? So she will try it. Higher?
No, I don't want.
Okay, we have to check it.
No, I don't think so.
Oh no, it's already soft.
Do you want a little bit more?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'm taking
Yeah.
out.
Just have to take it out. Okay, we're taking it out now, and then we're just setting them aside to cool it down. The problem is we don't have a blender, so we're going to use the sports juicer, and then we're just going to sieve it afterwards. So I'm going to use this one, and then of course just this one to go. We actually forgot because we have to cook this one with the sauteed mushroom and onions, so we have to mash them first, and now Ginny is doing it.
We don't have meat, so what we're gonna use?
Fork, yeah. Anyway, you don't have to have everything in the kitchen. You just have to be resourceful. Once you add the pumpkin and to the sauteed onions and mushroom, don't forget to season with salt and pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you don't have to stress at all because black pepper is already okay. And it's always best if it's powdered one, not the crushed or not the whole peppercorn, or else you're gonna make the person cough. We don't have a stock, so we're just using some milk. I'm gonna pour it. Ready? By the way, this is full cream milk, so it's going to add a creamier flavor into the soup.
If you have cream, you can use the cream.
Yeah.
Whipping cream. It will more strong flavor.
Yes. And another tip, sour cream is also a good one. But if you're actually using these dairy products, you have to make sure that you eat your pumpkin soup immediately because it will just damage the pumpkin soup. To make it soft, not soft, I mean to make it smooth, I'm going to do the sheaving. So Ginny will be doing the blending and then I'll be doing the sheaving. It's going to be a teamwork.